Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something super yummy Haemul Pajeon. It's a Korean pancake, and it's filled with seafood and green onions. It's crispy, chewy, and perfect for any time of day. Let's get started. First, we'll make our batter. Grab a big bowl and mix together 1 cup of flour, half a cup of potato starch, 1½ cups of cold water, 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up until it's smooth. The batter should be a little runny, but still thick enough to coat everything. Now, let's prep our green onions. Just trim the ends and cut them in half lengthwise. Lay them on a clean towel to dry off a bit. If you're using frozen seafood, make sure to thaw it and drain any extra water. I'm using shrimp, squid, and clams today. You can use your favorites. For the dipping sauce, mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, a little bit of sugar, some sesame seeds, and a pinch of gochugaru if you like things spicy. We'll set this aside for later. Okay, time to cook our pancake. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Arrange the green onions in the pan. This makes a tasty base for our pancake. Sprinkle the seafood over the green onions. Now, pour the batter over everything, tilting the pan to spread it evenly. Cook it for about 4 or 5 minutes until the bottom is golden and crispy. Carefully flip the pancake over. Add a little more oil if you need to, and cook it for another 4 or 5 minutes until both sides are nice and crispy. Slide that beautiful pancake onto a cutting board and cut it into wedges. Serve it hot with your dipping sauce. There you have it, Haemul Pajeon. It's delicious with a cold glass of makgeolli. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.